Hi everyone and welcome to Earrings by Angela. Today we are talking about the Ultimate Tool List, which is a free download. You can download it in the description. I'll leave the link in the description. But we're talking about bead caps, okay? So what are bead caps? There are so many different kinds and styles, which I will show you up close. Right? And they're like little hats for your beads, right? Well, it's called a bead cap. You know, it's to add a little extra oomph to your beads, okay? I really like this last one. And I will show you how it looks on the bead. You can buy these anywhere. I also have a link for you in the description where you can order some, okay? But they are at, like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and all that jazz. So let's see. I have a bead here that is ready. And we're just going to show you the different attitudes, okay? So first, I want to cut this off because this was, believe it or not, a piece of scrap wire. And I know you're like, what in the world? How is that a piece of scrap and it's that long? Well, because I was using it for something else. So now we're going to repurpose it for this. So let's do that. We'll start with the first one. And you just slide it on. So wait, let me explain. There's a little hole here. Even though this is like a filigree design, there's a hole right there in the middle, right here where I'm poking the wire through. And look at that. Look how classy that is. Now, this bead cap would be great for creating wedding jewelry. What do you think about that? Let me bring it in closer. And I gotta go out a little bit because the camera said, no. So look at how it gives it that elegant look, right? And it just made that plain pearl look so much better. So let's take that one off because I almost just fell in love. That almost became a love affair of butter, cholesterol free. Let's try this one. And it's fun. Now look at that. That gives it a really like vintage look, right? So that would be great for when you're creating vintage pieces, and adding a little bit of that romantic elegance to it. See how the bead caps really change the look of the beads? And are your minds going to like, oh my gosh, I can create this, that, and this? That's what happens, right? So our last one that I have is this one. Wow, now look at that. It gives it like a little fall look, right? I love that. And I love how decorative it is and how detailed um everything is. So that is my lesson on bead caps, and now experiment with a few. Um you can also make your own. So I'll put the link to that video in the description as well, so that if you don't want to buy these, you can make your own personal hat, right? Thanks for joining me today. And if you have any questions or comments, then put them in the comment section. Let's have this conversation. And if you found this video helpful, please feel free to like the video and share it with your friends, okay? So I will see you later. Happy creating.